What if you could have an army of SEO experts working 24/7 to boost your website's rankings while you sleep? In today's digital landscape, the websites winning the most traffic and revenue aren't necessarily the biggest. They're the smartest. Show a split screen of a person sleeping peacefully next to a digital visualization of website analytics, climbing upward with AI elements working in the background. Welcome to our guide on the best AI-powered SEO tools that are revolutionizing how websites rank, attract visitors, and generate income. These intelligent systems can analyze, optimize, and execute SEO strategies with precision that manual methods simply can't match. The digital marketplace has never been more competitive. Every day, 4.4 million blog posts are published, and 252,000 new websites go live. Without proper SEO, your content disappears into the void, regardless of its quality. Many business owners spend thousands on content that never gets seen, while 75% of users never scroll past the first page of search results. Solution Presentation AI SEO tools offer a powerful solution by leveraging machine learning algorithms to analyze search patterns, optimize content, and predict what will rank. These tools work across three critical areas. First, intelligent keyword research tools that not only find high-volume search terms, but predict trending topics before they peak. Second, content optimization engines that analyze top-ranking pages and guide your writing with real-time suggestions for structure, readability, and semantic relevance. Third, technical SEO assistants that crawl your site like search engines do, identifying and prioritizing fixes that will have the biggest impact on your rankings. What sets today's AI SEO tools apart is their ability to understand context and intent, not just keywords. They're constantly learning from billions of search queries and results, giving you insights that would take teams of analysts months to discover. Most importantly, they translate complex SEO requirements into actionable recommendations that anyone can implement. Take Wilderness Outfitters, an outdoor gear company that implemented AI SEO tools last year. Within 6 months, their organic traffic increased by 187%, and their e-commerce revenue jumped 143%. Their marketing director noted, "What impressed us most wasn't just the traffic increase. It was that the AI properly identified high-conversion search intent, bringing us customers who were ready to buy." You might be thinking, isn't AI SEO expensive? Or, won't I need technical expertise? Today's tools start at just $49 monthly, with user-friendly interfaces designed for non-technical marketers. The ROI typically exceeds 10x within the first quarter for most businesses, making them more affordable than hiring an SEO specialist. Top AI SEO tools. Let's explore the top AI SEO tools transforming the industry. SEMrush's AI Writing Assistant. This powerhouse combines keyword research with AI-powered content creation. It analyzes the top-ranking pages for your target keywords and generates optimized content outlines, suggests headline variations, and even helps craft meta descriptions that boost click-through rates. ClearScope, the gold standard for content optimization. ClearScope analyzes the top-ranking content for your target keywords and provides clear recommendations on word count, readability, and which semantically related terms to include. Users report an average increase of 30% in organic traffic within 3 months. MarketMuse. This AI content planning and optimization suite builds comprehensive content strategies based on topic modeling. Its unique strength is identifying content gaps in your site that competitors are ranking for, creating a roadmap for content development. Surfer SEO. With its real-time content editor, Surfer analyzes your writing as you type, comparing it against top-ranking pages. Its SERP analyzer provides actionable insights on content length, keyword density, and structural elements that correlate with higher rankings. Phrase. This AI tool combines content briefing with optimization in one platform. Its standout feature is the ability to extract common questions your audience is asking about your topic, ensuring your content addresses real user needs. WordLift. For e-commerce and publisher sites, WordLift's AI adds structured data markup automatically, helping search engines better understand your content and improving how your pages appear in search results. SE Ranking. This all-in-one platform uses AI to monitor rankings, audit websites, and track competitors. Its AI-powered recommendations prioritize technical fixes based on impact, saving you from getting lost in an endless list of optimizations. Implementation strategy. Now, let's talk about implementation. The most successful approach follows this 4-step process. Step 1. audit, and benchmark. Use AI tools to analyze your current site performance, identifying technical issues and content gaps. Document your baseline metrics for traffic, rankings, and conversions. Step 2. Keyword and topic research. Leverage AI to discover high-value keywords and topic clusters relevant to your business. Focus on search terms with clear purchase intent for faster ROI. Step 3. Content optimization. Apply AI recommendations to both existing content and new materials. Start with high-potential pages that are ranking on page 2 or early on page 1 for quick wins. Step 4. Measurement and iteration. Track performance weekly, letting the AI tools learn from what's working. Most tools will adapt their recommendations based on your specific site's performance. The key to success is consistency. Commit to at least 90 days of following the AI recommendations before expecting significant results. Case studies. Let's look at 3 diverse businesses that have transformed their online presence with AI SEO tools. First, Meadow Lane Bakery, a small local business that increased their local search visibility by 215% using AI-optimized location pages. Their online order volume grew from 5 to 37 orders daily within 4 months. Next, TechVantage Solutions, a B2B software company, used AI SEO tools to optimize their resource center. They saw a 167% increase in lead generation forms completed through organic search traffic. Finally, Wellness Weekly, a health content publisher, implemented AI content optimization across their 2,000-plus article archive. After systematically updating their content with AI recommendations, their ad revenue increased by $27,000 monthly due to traffic gains. Let's break down the numbers. Most comprehensive AI SEO platforms cost between $99 and $299 monthly for small to medium businesses. For that investment, users typically see 35 to 65% increase in organic traffic within 6 months, 25 to 40% decrease in cost per acquisition compared to paid search, 15 to 30% improvement in conversion rates due to better search intent matching, 60% reduction in time spent on manual SEO tasks. For an average e-commerce site, this translates to approximately $9,400 in additional monthly revenue within the first year, a return that far exceeds the tool costs. To maximize your results with AI SEO tools. First, start with a comprehensive site audit to establish your baseline and identify quick wins. Second, focus on revamping your highest potential content first. Look for pages ranking in positions 5 to 15 for valuable keywords. Third, establish a consistent publishing calendar informed by AI keyword insights. Fourth, don't ignore technical recommendations. Page speed and mobile optimization often yield the fastest improvements. Finally, combine multiple AI tools for best results. Use specialized tools for different aspects of your SEO strategy rather than expecting one solution to do everything.